I went a completely different way to work today. Well, yesterday sucked. I got home and I played video games and cleaned up the house and then played more video games. That's it. And then went to bed. Today should be a better day. I think when I get off work, I'm going to be taking delivery of a new car. And when I say new, I just mean new to me. It's my neighbor's car. They essentially just have to get it out from in front of their house because it's not registered anymore. It needs a fuel pump, I'm pretty sure. Not a big deal. Easy replacement, good cleaning, and maybe a muffler. Because I don't believe it has a muffler right now. So that's the plan for today. Let's see if it works out. Alright, my neighbor had to get rid of this. It's a Geo Prism and it needs a fuel pump sitting in the passenger seat. I'm going to get to it sometime later. And by later, I mean when it warms up. But for the rest of the night, I'm going to see if I can make some bullseyes on darts and tinker on a few things. Well, I wasn't able to get any bullseyes, but that's okay. I know what I'm going to do. I have someone coming to look at the motorcycle tomorrow, so I'm going to get that all shined up and cleaned, and hopefully they'll buy it. Here's the bike. I did just fix that neutral safety switch, but it's been sitting in here, so it's a little bit dirty. Maybe I'll get the polishing pad out and polish it up. I really wanted to order the rear brake cover, because right now it's just, when you hit the brake, it lights up. But I'm going to get this all polished up. Hopefully they'll buy it. Well, that's about as good as it's going to get. I spent, I don't know, maybe an hour on it. You can see that the shine is really coming through so much that it can't even focus. Here's the tank. I couldn't get the tank perfect. I don't know if you can see. Let's see if we can find the scratches. Yeah. Well, there's some scratches in there still. And then a little chip right there. Just minor things that I wasn't able to get out. But overall, it's looking really nice. And now I'm going to open the door so I don't breathe in all this exhaust. I think that's going to be it for tonight. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing. And we'll talk to you guys tomorrow.